soulless. Oh yeah, that's what's up. And so, I'll see you when I get there. So I'm at the airport now, and the plane's super late, but this is what they gave me. Look at that. The mountains of Cusco. Hello. Just got into Cusco. Got to my hostel. Took a nice shower. And here I am walking towards the Plaza de Armas. This is like the center square. They said they got all the restaurants here, there, and markets, so I'm gonna go check it out. And then later I'm gonna go check out the Tupac Square. I really want to see the Tupac one. But yeah, I want to try a guinea pig. Here's a specialty here of Cusco. So let's see what that's like. What's up, dog? Here's the alley. Ooh. If you don't come in, you're gonna fucking die. How tight that is. Super tight. That's a nice poncho, it's all red. Perfect for the bloods. So this is like we're nearing the main square area. Looks more, oh, looks old schoolish. It's very colonial type of that. I'm trying to find a damn cool place. So here's the main square of Cusco. And as always, there's a church. Churches everywhere. Can't skip the church in South America. So UF. And then unexpectedly, there's a Patagonia right here. There's a Patagonia. Man, it's super tourist. Look at that. Mountains and stuff. It's nice. Big it. It looks like the church in the Camino de Santiago. So we'll go check it out. This is way better. So this church, you gotta pay admission to come in. And I come over here to pay admission to enter a church. So, we're skipping that. Everything else looks decent. Henry. Okay. The view in the mountains looks pretty cool, especially from here. Looks better in person. Yeah, it's very interesting. And there's Paddy's Irish Pub, very historical location. And right across there's a Norton Pub, and underneath it is a Patagonia. Alright, so this is the main square. I guess that's the exit from the church that you have to pay for. Yeah, look at that church, it's hella fancy. That's how they can afford these decorations. Anyway, this is the main square. It feels like Europe. Very Spanish influence. I feel tired as heck. There's a fountain with no water. I'm gonna head back to the hostel, take a nap, and buy water before I get back there. Look at that. Interesting. Mira la música de todo. They got a water fountain here. It's Pero. Look at that view from here. There's that Andina spot somewhere. Look at that. Damn Hyundai is messing up my views. Good mountains. And Andina Spa is a good place you should come to. You want to get a good massage, spa treatment. Right here. Oh yeah. Well, here they have guinea pig baked. They had that, alpaca, ceviche, lomo saltado, coffee. Lomo saltado is just like a beef. Let's see. Cuyo horno. Doesn't say the price. Oh, I guess it's got the head on it. Ooh. It's a Cusco sour, maravillosa. Whatever that means. Look at that. And I got the game on. Oh. Well, here we go. This is the koi. It's the half koi. So I can't eat a whole koi. What does it look like? I don't know what it looks like. We faced. Don't know how to dig into it. Probably start here, work my way up and down. This is interesting. There's the feet dangling. I gotta say, eating guinea pig is like eating pigeon. It's really bony. It's not that much meat on it because this is only the half. And then you need to add like some garnish. Some like it's kind of like like pico de gallo or some ají because it really doesn't have that much flavor to it. Buenas tardes.
Vamos a probar este entonces. Este es un poco de chocolate caliente. Está hecho con leche sin lactosa. Tiene canela, azúcar. Tiene cacao en polvo de 100%.
Wow.
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo está?
Está rico, está rico.
Estos son, como te decía, macerados, son fuertes. El pisco es un tipo de brandy que tiene es de 42.
Solo un ching.
Un poquito entonces.
Demasiado.
Demasiado. Está bien.
Sí.
Fuerte.
Sí, fue súper fuerte.
Es bastante fuerte. Esta es la muña, ¿no?
La muña.
Menta andina. Sí, es que el pisco es bastante fuerte. ¿Qué se parece?
I only had a day here, and my flight was 4 hours delayed, so I cut into my day here. So I definitely suggest don't take Viva Airlines if you want to be on time. And aside from that, this town is pretty much an in-between point between all the stuff that people want to do, such as Rainbow Mountain, the Transformer Stone Pillar area, Machu Picchu, etc. But another benefit is that you can use the time here to get acclimated to the high altitude before heading up to Machu Picchu, which is what I did. The Plaza de Alma section was a bit too touristy for me. The guinea pig I regret ordering. And unfortunately I ran out of time here and didn't get to check out the Tupac Amaru Park. However, the alleys leading to the Plaza de Alma were super photogenic. I regret not bringing my camera to get some nice shots of the alleys. But the highlights here for me were the hot chocolate drink from the chocolate place and the Andina Spa, which had the full treatment of scrub, back peel mask, sauna, and jacuzzi hot tub, with finishing up with a full body massage. I went with the sun out and came out at nighttime. So with that said, hope you got something out of this, and don't forget to like and share with a friend. And until next time, peace.